Hey y'all, hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. Alright guys, so today we are getting ready to dive right on in to Liv's life. So Liv, I see you over there, girl. What's going on? What's going on? Yeah, Liv, what is going on? Because as you know, I don't know what the fucking expect from you. But needless to say, I saw you the other night getting all dolled up, taking a whole bottle of perfume, spraying it everywhere that you could think of. I mean, you kept spraying and spraying and spraying and spraying and spraying. And then Liv, my girl, had the nerve to go get another different perfume and mix it and spray it. You get what I'm saying? Now, I don't know why you decided to do that or whatever, but I mean, I don't know why. But if you feel like that's going to make you smell even better, then hey, go ahead on with it. You get me? Just go right ahead on with it. Oh, might want to take my tag off, huh? But anyway, yeah. So, yeah, I said, you were in there getting all dolled up, and then he called you, and you know what I'm saying? You're smiling, you're smit, you're happy. You get what I'm saying? But see, this is the thing, Liv. Seriously. The stuff that you are doing at this point is because you are trying to make Gerard mad. Here goes some real shit, Liv. If I was you, I would go ahead for a couple months or so, and I would fall back from all the men. I will fall back. And as I am falling back, I would sit there and I would think on what I wanted, what my plan was for now, and then I would go ahead and I would execute it. But it seems like this to me, Liv, that if you are not around a man to make you feel validated, it seems that you can't do it. You act as if you need a man all the time. And I'm here to tell you, you can do it on, you get what I'm saying, your own. I mean, it is what it is. Right now, I can basically tell it. You're probably hurt. On camera, you are trying to come across to us like I watched the video that you did today when you were trying to say how to deal with a breakup or divorce. And I'm going to be honest, you were the wrong person to actually put up a video and actually do that. The wrong person. Because as of right now, Liv, I don't think that you even know how to get past a breakup or a divorce. You are learning yourself. But I mean, it's just crazy. Like, when you and Gerard suddenly had broke up or whatever, right after that, you decided to go talking to another man who you actually brung on camera. Like, Liv, give your pocketbook down there. You get what I'm saying? A minute to take a breather. Just a minute to taking a breather. Now, you have said, well, Chrissy and this man, Chrissy and that man. Liv, you are no different. You pop them and pop them and pop them. Soon as, you know what I'm saying, you and your husband separate, divorce, skit, I don't know what it is. But all I know at this point is that you need to go sit your ass down somewhere. All right, go ahead and find, you know what I mean, some other butterfly lashes that you can use. Find some other things that you can sell, lip gloss, clothes. I don't know. But if I were you right now, I would be soaking my head down into my business to get it where I need it to be. Because right now, you're kind of off. So you are not going to be able to take your business serious. So that's why I said, Liv, go ahead, sit back, lay low, play it slow. Go get yourself some vintage wine that you like to drink. All right. Go put yourself on a bathing suit or whatever, or a bra. You like to go dip in the pool. Because I know the other day it looked like you had a bra on and you was in the pool. But okay. But anyway, go ahead and do that. And take yourself right on outside by the pool. Take them thousands of cigarettes that you know what I'm saying. You like to smoke. Go ahead with the vintage wine. You know, a little cup and everything. And kick your legs up. And say, this is me. I have accomplished this all on my own. No matter what people actually think. But this is me. And I will succeed. That's what you need to do. Even in the live, if I'm not mistaken. Gerard was trying to say something to you like a couple times. You blocked the shit out of Gerard. I said, look, I don't know what the fuck all Gerard did or whatever, but you is pissed. You ain't playing with Gerard under no circumstances. I'm looking at the screen. I'm like, hold the fuck up. Did she just block him? Block the shit out of you, Gerard. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you. If she had you in the ass stored underneath the bed or whatever, she still blocked the shit out of you. When I tell you I was on the floor, I said, hold the fuck up. Did Liv just go ahead and block him? Yeah, Liv. Bloop. And I know how you feel, Liv, because I do that shit to some of my fucking haters and shit and trolls. I be like, oh, is that a paragraph that she's typing? Oh, okay. The first three words are ignorant. Yeah, let me go ahead and delete this shit. I ain't even read no more. I delete and block. So I'm just letting you know right now, when y'all come over here with this bullshit and y'all be trying to act a fool in my comments, I don't do it. Delete, block. Delete, block. That's exactly what I do. And some of you, I don't even block you. What I'll do is I'll put you as hide. All right. So when I hide you, when you come over here, I'm going to tell you how stupid you look. You can see that you have said something in my comments. But nobody else can because your dumb ass is hid. Yeah, I don't be playing that. I don't be having the energy. You know what I mean? But Liv, I'm going to need you, Liv. Go, Liv, please go and get yourself together. Please. All right. Don't even worry about Gerard. Just like I said, lay it low and go ahead and play slow. I mean, but yeah. You definitely tripping. Definitely. And you can tell, you know, that you are a little salty. You get what I'm saying? Like, you block the shit out of him. Then you go and get your mail. You get in the car. And you start reading the mail talking about he done got a loan. And he ain't even paid that back. You talking about he was just so immature. So that, so this, so that. But you got to realize you love that immature dick. I mean, it is what it is. Now, I got to be honest. I don't know what the fuck Gerard, like if you listening, Gerard, Jerry, Rod, what the fuck was you getting a $600 loan for? Gerard, $600. $600. All right. It is what it is. I mean, you wanted to get $600 and then you can't even pay the $600 back now. What type of shit is that, Gerard? I don't know, Gerard. You gonna need Liv. You definitely gonna need Liv. I don't know what you gonna do. I don't know. Like I said, Liv might have your ass underneath, you get what I'm saying, her bed. Because y'all, you know how y'all like to do the skits and shit. So, yeah. She might have you under there. But yeah, all I can say, if this is all true, Gerard, you done fucked up. That's all I'm going to say. I'm going to go ahead, you know what I'm saying, get off this video. Because I got some stuff to do. But I am going to go ahead and talk to you guys in the next video.